Hello, my name is Ayaan Bhatt and my journey as a student at RFL has recently come to an end. I joined RFL in 2016 with only some basic robotics knowledge, but since then I've come a pretty long way. I've ended up participating in the World Robotics Olympiad, the first Tech Challenge, the first LEGO League, and I've even mentored teams in WRO as well as the first robotics competition. From the experience that I gained at these competitions, I realized that computer science and STEM overall is truly my passion. This idea got solidified when we won the Indian Nationals to become the Indian champions and represented our country at the World Championships in Houston. With the help of a powerful letter of recommendation from head coach Ashwin sir, I was accepted at and will be attending the University of Michigan at Ann Arbor starting this fall. RFL has made me realize my love for tech and has helped cultivate a ton of personal skills, including communication, leadership, and most importantly, teamwork.